Back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. So, yeah. So today here with me is me, myself, and I, which is very exciting. Okay, well, anyways, let's get right into it. Okay. Bup, 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 bup. Okay, it looks like round's already started. Oh, never mind. Wait, press the button. A storm. Uh-oh, what's that mean? So guys, if you don't know, I have played this game before, so I have a few special tricks on my sleeve. Oh no, bro! I don't like this game. It's like that one game in Fall Guys, guys, comment down below if you ever play like Fall Guys because it's like that one game. I don't really like it because it's like I mean I'm really bad at it, so that's really the reason why. Oh, bro, I just died. Well, there I go. Well, guys, but let me show you a few things that I have. So first, we got kind of the Lego things. So you never know when you need to build a wall. Like if somebody's shooting at me, I'm like, boom, and they can get me. Then this is the most overpowered thing ever. So if I shoot this, then it not only turns them blue, but it also makes them slow, which is really good if you're trying to win like a mini game or something. And then balloons, I thought these were gonna make me fly when I bought them, but no, they just kind of like sit there, and then you just hold them. It's kind of pointless, probably. Dang it, Emerson got them. Catch the presents. Better be Santa Claus, bro. Mine, mine. Wait, did I get that now? It's kind of silly. I only have one, bro. Oh, I see one. See one. Come here. Oh. Oh, I just jumped off. But I got it though. Okay, I'm back. Bro, why my controls not working? Oh, there we go. My amazing star. Seven? I got like. Oh, I was gonna get that one, but the game's up. I only had three. Find the hole in the wall. Oh, it's like one of this. One of these games. I've played these games before. Bro, it's gotta be the best Squid Games, like, thing ever. Is that it? Wait, I better press the button if that's it. Wait, huh? I just got cooked. Figure out how to survive? Well, that's not me. So right here. So I'll hit special with the blue gun. Dang, bro's got the money. How much does that cost? Yeah, guys, here's the shop. Is it this? Flex with your money, bro. That's so pointless. Some of this stuff is not really like is useful, but it's fun to have. I want to become small. I don't have enough coin for that yet. Should I buy banana peel, guys? Oh, bro, it just rained money. Deliver pizza to the corner correct house. 59? Well, here's 60. Wait, why is it 60? Where's my house? Oh, it's right here. Oh, let's go. I won. It's like the freeze ray from the Minions movie, like Bruce freeze ray. Freeze ray, freeze. Wait, what happens if I shoot this guy? He's already blue. Bro, it's turning even more blue. It's like turning on. Is he always walking slower? Like, look. So weird to me. Oh, wait, dang, he's got a jetpack. He reach the other side. Well, where's the other side? Oh, it's over here. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Oh. Oh, this is hard. Actually, maybe not. Wait, this is really easy. Let's go. So happy that I'm gonna shoot you with a freeze ray. Freeze ray. Oh, look, he's turning blue. Freeze ray. Turn anybody I want into blue. Unless they're already blue, like that one guy. It's like flying in the air, bro. Find the exit of the maze. Oh gosh, bro. I'm cooked. I'm horrible at mazes. Where's the light coming from? I wish I followed somebody. That would have been a good idea. Hello? Anybody? Evie and Joss. I should have followed somebody. I'm cooked. I'm just running around. Wait, why do I go invisible like in here? Maybe if I shoot freeze ray. Hell, there's somebody right here. Probably should have followed. Imagine if that guy wins. And I should have followed him. Uh-oh. No, bro, I'm cooked. How do you even find the exit, bro? It's like impossible. Get the balls to the other side. Oh, I get it. It's supposed to that person's winning. I'm hitting the ball over here. Hopefully my team is actually locked in. I should shoot the red team with these. Like, why are they all going for the same one? Move, people! I'm trying to get the ball to the other side, bro. Wait, we're the blue team. We have like none on our side, bro. We only have one. Oh, two. Wait, we just gotta lock in. It's only two. Yeah, let's go. Wait, what? Wait, we're the red team. Oh, wait, yay. Let's go. Get to the water. Where's the water? Oh my gosh, we're on fire. You know the people that say water? It's like, it's like, if you have an accent and you're like, can I get some water compared to, can I get some water? I'm like, what? But they got higher walk speed. But you know how it's just like, water. Can you give me some water? And I'm like, warrior? Like, what? Oh, to find the diamond. I saw the light inside, so shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful like a diamond in the sky. I'm gonna find a diamond, guys. If I find a diamond, I will actually be so happy. Beep beep. Bro, it could literally be anywhere. Oh, there's something right there. Look, there's the bottom floor. Who found it? Oh, oop, on the pillow. Bro, only me and then one other person did it. Oh, let's go. I just got 5 coins. Let's go. I'm gonna shoot the one by Ray. How's you feeling, Blue? Oh my gosh, bro. Bunny is raining. Get ready. For what? Oh my gosh. We have rocket launchers. Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, what the heck? Oh my. Wait, bro, look at these rocket launchers, bro. I'm gonna cook this person. Oh, oh, jeez. Oh, if I just hide in the shadows, they can't see me. I'm like, who hides in the shadows? I'm like Spider-Man. Wait, no, that's not right. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Like no, I mean Batman. I'm like Batman. Batman lurking in the shadows. That's what I was thinking. Go to 1v1. No, you can't hit me, bro. You can't hit me. Boom. Yes, I won! Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I'm the best at rocket launcher, bro. And I'm gonna press the button. Run, run, run from what? Oh, oh, jeez. See if my balloons work. Oh, these balloons are actually. And this thing is, I paid for like 400 coins for this, bro. And it literally does nothing. Wait, my head looks like a pillow. If you ran into somebody, they died. That'd be crazy. Wait, what's in here? Oh, literally nothing. That was interesting. Oh no. Stop the incoming balls by touching them. Oh, easy. We'll get over here, guys. Don't worry. No, guys, stay over there. Stay over there. No, bro, what are these people doing? Bro, you gotta like, bro, it's not my fault. It's their fault. You gotta like spread out. That's the strategy. Wait, what? Be careful. Looks like it's an obby. Is it the finish line? Wait, I won. What? Yeah, let's go. It's kind of simple. Building bricks. I should have blocked. Wait, I should block off the exit. Nobody can get in. Oh, oh, Gene. Wait, what did I say? What? Get to where? Bro, I said, oh, Gene. Wait, easy. Easy. Wait, I'm gonna shoot these people. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. I was dancing. Dancing with my fire. Thought we were gonna die. Think fast. But I never do good at to think fast, bro. It's impossible 'cause you don't know what's coming. And then it's like, oh, you have like 2 seconds to get on a pillar. Boy's falling off. How am I gonna fall off? Oh, no! Dang it, bro. How did I die there? That's like so easy. Yeah, bro, that person's just standing on edge. There's no way, bro. They found a hack. I'm turning everybody blue. Imagine I turn myself blue. I wonder if I can. No. Can I hit 4 players one? That was so easy. I don't know. I don't know how I died. I just like good to go forward. Jump over the coming. Oh, oh. I'm cooked, bro. I'm selling, bro. Survive. Oh, jeez. Am I the only one? Wait, I'm the only one that survived that. There's no way. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Wait, did I win? No. No. There's no way, bro. There's no way. I should have won that fair and square. Oh, enter the castle. Oh, 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 I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Oh, wait, this is actually kind of hard. Wait, I think I could do it though. No! No, I'm selling. Wait, I'm not gonna start. Wait, I can do this. We can't like jerk it like too fast, or else I'm gonna fall right off. Bro, why's my W key so hot, bro? Oh gosh, this could be. Oh my gosh, there's no way. I found the strat. You just like walk. Walk on by. Walk on by. Bro, I got 3 coins. That's it. That was like almost. Oh, yeah, I got 8 coins actually. There we go. That's a prize. 11 coins. So only me and one other person made it. Money, money. Where? Oh, oh. I was like, what's going on? That's it. It was so lame. I mean, like, no offense, but like, what? Oh wait, look, it's a slide. Oh wait, look, I'm sliding. Face planted, with my feet in the ground. That. Oh, that was very exciting. So exciting that I'm going down again. Can you get up? Oh, you can actually get up. Oh wait. Oh wait, can I send bricks down the slide? Oh dang it! Avoid the boulders. Oh, this is pretty easy. I'm just down the edge. I'm just walking off the edge. I'm not even joking. But they know where I am. They're coming for me. They're all spawning on that side. Bro, it's not even that hard. This is a strat. Stay on the very edge. You can't even walk off. Oh, maybe you can. Hey, oopsies. This guy just spills money everywhere. Avoid getting frozen. Get to the end. Oh, I see. How did Bro, what the heck? I don't see how it's like. Oh, I see. Oh, it's like red light, green light, kind of, from Squid Games. Toom, toom. It's like, and the Yeti is like the doll. Kumbaya, Oh, wait, no, that's the jump rope song. Wait, is it? Doom, doom, unoshimika. Bro, how am I singing this Squid Game song? Wait, what's this? What's the red light, green light song? It's like, oh yeah, it's the one like, boom. Wait, no, it's like, why can't I think of it? It's go 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 keep me as me, yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, that was kind of easy. Wait, I should click. Can I climb up him? He's too big for me. Oh, coin, mid coin. Oh, give me more coins. Stay clear from the red chocolate. Oh, wait, which one's the red chocolate? Oh, whichever one's the red one at the end disappears. Yeah, I'm gonna build these bricks too. Pink and blue. What happens if I stand on the brick? Can't die now. Who's that one? How come it's not going? Wait, didn't even die. Oh, I guess somebody has to be standing on it for it to go. Oh, I got pink ones. It's kind of easy. I feel like I just like stand on the bricks. Ooh, that one died. 3 players survived. Oh, that was kind of easy. So let me get it. Opening it. Get ready for my question. I wonder what this is gonna be. 6 plus 4? 6, 4. Bro, like, what is this? Let's see. I think the answer is 1,695,999 5. Well, no, it's not right. What do you mean I got it wrong? Rob the bank? What do you mean rob the bank? Oh, oh, wait, this is like a spy thingy. Oh, I took damage. Uh-oh. Oh, I got a money bag on my back. But yo, I'm an actual real life international. Wait, what? International super spy. Super spy. Oh, this song is so cringe. But I can do this. Cooking an international super spy. I'm cooked on these. One more girl. If I get caught one more time, I'm caught. Wait, can I make it? What was that for? That guy totally just sold me. You know what? I'm gonna give him a taste of his own medicine. Oh, that wasn't the right person. Ooh, they drank the potion. Oh shit! Oh, let's go. That was really easy. Don't fall off. Oh, there's somebody with a sword. What are we supposed to do, bro? I hate people that are just like think they're so good and they buy like the weapons in the game so they can kill everybody. Like, bro, that's not even the point of this game. The point of the game is not to buy weapons, it's trying to survive. Like, I don't even understand, bro. If I survive this round, guys, you have to like and subscribe. Like, actually. Like, I'm not even joking. No! But you guys, you still have to like and subscribe, though. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more Roblox videos, with me and maybe other people, make sure to like and subscribe because then that makes me happy.